Have you ever pondered if the act of creating something with your own two hands could potentially enhance your overall satisfaction with life? If the satisfaction derived from successfully completing a DIY project could somehow seep into your everyday existence and uplift your spirits, hey everyone, and welcome back to Reality Radar. Today we're diving into the world of DIY projects and exploring whether or not engaging in these hands-on activities can genuinely improve our overall satisfaction with life. The world of do-it-yourself projects is a vast and varied one, ranging from home improvements and craftsmanship to artistic endeavors and even culinary experiments. But beyond the tangible results of these projects, what's truly intriguing is the potential psychological benefits they might hold. Research conducted by the University of Florida in 2022 revealed some fascinating insights. In a study involving over 1,000 participants, they found that individuals who engaged in frequent DIY projects reported higher levels of life satisfaction compared to those who didn't. Interesting, right? Now, you might be thinking correlation isn't causation, and you'd be right. So, the researchers delved deeper. They found that DIY projects, regardless of their nature, involved problem-solving, creativity, and a sense of accomplishment. These elements, according to the researchers, are key factors in boosting overall life satisfaction. In another study, this one conducted by the University of British Columbia in 2023, the results echoed these findings. Their research pointed out that engaging in DIY projects also fostered a sense of self-efficacy and autonomy, elements that are known to contribute to a person's overall well-being and satisfaction. So, what can we glean from all this? Well, the evidence suggests that there is indeed a correlation between engaging in DIY projects and an enhanced sense of life satisfaction. The act of creation, problem-solving, and the sense of accomplishment that follows seem to have a positive impact on our overall well-being. However, it's important to remember that DIY projects aren't a panacea. They're a tool, a potential source of enjoyment and satisfaction. But like any tool, their effectiveness depends on how they're used. So if you're considering taking up a new DIY project, keep these findings in mind. It might just contribute to a more satisfying life. And remember, it's not just about the end product, but the journey you undertake to get there. The satisfaction lies not just in the creation, but in the act of creating. So go ahead, pick up that paintbrush, that hammer, or that spatula, and create something wonderful. In the grand tapestry of life, it's these small threads of personal accomplishment and creativity that can make all the difference. In the end, it's not just about doing it yourself, it's about doing it for yourself. And who knows, you might just find that DIY projects bring more than just a sense of accomplishment, but a deeper, more profound satisfaction with life. And isn't that something worth striving for? Thanks for tuning in to Reality Radar today. Remember, DIY projects are not just about creating something tangible, they're about creating something positive within ourselves. So pick up your hammer, your paintbrush, or your trowel, and let's get started on creating a happier, healthier life.